Okay, what's up everyone? It's been about a week. We're a little late on the video. We're about a couple days late, but I got a surprise. I got two new machines. I drove 3 hours up north to Saginaw, Michigan. These two machines are not main machines in the screen printing business, but they're efficiency things. So right here, we got an M&R Quick Coat. So we have an automatic screen coater now. So it just takes the labor and the guesswork and it brings up consistency. So we're gonna have the exact same thickness emulsion on every single print now. We were pretty good at it manually, but this takes all the human error out of it. And now we can kind of teach anyone to use it and makes a darkroom just a little bit easier to operate. And then second up, we got a LP1 Rapid Tag, slightly used. I'll get the shrink wrap off everything. And this thing just neck labels. So right now we neck label on our 8 color, way down there, the lights will pop on. But we neck label on the 8 color on sleeve platens, which the main press, which is our kind of like our money maker, it prints the big front images, the backs, you know, the actual part of the garment. Neck labels are an add-on service we use. And now that we're getting it off this press, it's gonna make us a lot more money because we're gonna be printing them on a sub press, a smaller press. We're gonna put it probably, I think, in somewhere over here. I don't know exactly where we're gonna put it yet, but that way we can offload the work, which is about 10 hours a week, off the main press. And look, the AC thing is filling up. The AC sock, you're gonna hear that. It's kind of weird. And boom. Probably not gonna hear that just because I had a mic on. But let's unwrap both these machines and let's start messing around with them. Both machines are completely off their pallets. The M&R Unicoat is kind of a mess. So this is Chromalime emulsion, which is actually the same exact emulsion we use, but you can tell they just got it splattered everywhere. So let's see if we can grab some emulsion remover and maybe clean it up. We'll just use the Easy Way Super Emulsion Remover, put in a little spray bottle, and hopefully we just clean up the machine because I like clean machines. So that's why you shouldn't like buying used, but it was a good deal. We couldn't find a spray bottle, but I found this like ketchup-like bottle and I filled it up with the Super Emulsion Remover. So to be honest, I think to start, I'm just gonna this is a mess, like a big mess. So I think I'm just gonna start letting it soak on it, I guess. This stuff's gonna take a while for it to, I think it's gonna be quite a while before this starts getting, it's kind of eating away already. I don't think this will be too hard for us to clean up. So let me set the camera up and I'm gonna get to start cleaning. Okay, so we are getting somewhere. Emulsion remover rag, scraping. Got this big glob of emulsion right there, but it is looking a lot shinier already. I'm not gonna record the rest of me obviously doing all that, but the machine, what it does is automatic scoop coats. So it puts the emulsion, applies the emulsion to the screens that we end up burning into our the images so we can actually print on a press. That way now we have a consistency. The machine is gonna do the exact same thing over and over and over again. So we kind of just, all we did with that machine is take the manual labor and the human error out of the job. Now let's check out the Rapid Tag over here. The Rapid Tag isn't too dirty. I don't think I really gotta spend time cleaning it. You know, it's got a little wear and tear on it. A little paint came off. I looked online, which all of these have the same problem, from the actual quartz bulbs that are inside here. Get nice and hot and cured. So it's a one color little press. Just one squeegee. Looks like it does take a 110 outlet. We'll probably have to get a dedicated circuit to it. You know, your air filter, your air connection hose here. I think it's funny about these things, they're very cheaply made. They're just built to print neck labels, so there's not too much put into them. Like this is like a home power switch. It's like literally a switch from a house, but you know, it gets the job done. A little touch screen to control it all. But I've had one of these in the past. I had an LP4 XL, so we had a big model. It would print like tote bags and stuff. This one obviously has little 3-inch, 3.5-inch, 4-inch wide platens, and it's just literally simply made, put neck labels inside of products. It's gonna help my business grow, I believe, a lot, because we do offer for the fulfillment customers neck labels, and we can kind of sell other customers on the neck labels that we already have in the building. So now that we can offer more, it's not like a big money maker. You're not gonna double your revenue out of neck labels, but it's a good value add for the customer. And like I said, it's just one more professional service that you offer, and it just helps you grow the business, especially in this e-commerce realm and the order fulfillment realm. But thanks for watching. I wish I made a video of me actually going up to the shop, driving up 3 hours and made the whole vlog, but here are the two machines. Well, there's a quick coat. The neck label's way down there over in screen printing. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you guys like it. I'm going to keep making videos like this of me just doing what I do around the print shop. See you guys in the next one.